I'm going to start by making a marinade for the tofu. I'm going to be using equal quantities of dark soy sauce and some Japanese rice wine vinegar. A little bit of sweetness with a tablespoon of honey, some finely chopped green chilli, along with some crushed garlic and some ginger. Now just give that a little stir together. For the full recipe, just click on the link. Now for the tofu, I'm using extra firm tofu and I've cut it into quite small chunks. Just drop those pieces in and just turn to coat them in the marinade. And then that needs to marinate for about 20 minutes, so just set that aside. Now I'm going to be serving with it some carrots. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of the vinegar and a little pinch of salt. Give that a quick stir and set it aside with the tofu. Now I'm just going to fry the tofu in a little bit of oil so it gets a little bit nice and crispy on the edges. And then just reserve that marinade because we're going to add it to the pan in a moment. Just get some nice colour on the cooked side of the tofu. Now I'm going to add some thinly sliced salad onions to the pan. And then in goes that reserved marinade. For a little bit of brightness, I'm going to add the juice of half a lime. Now we're ready to serve. I've got some rice noodles and some pak choy here that I've already cooked. I'm going to spoon on some of that quick carrot pickle. I think we're ready to spoon over that tofu. Really, really quick and easy, packed full of flavour. For more delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe.